Hey, hi, hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Sachana Creation, and today we are going to see an unboxing of a vintage car. Let me unbox it first that I'm not aware about what model and make of this car. So if anybody is aware about it, please let me know in the comment box.
It's having beautiful headlights and indicators with a front grille. Only we are missing out the logo of the car. Other than that, we are well and good on this model car.
And actually looks very pretty cool in color as well as the detail. We are having a very good tires.
Stay tuned with us for the next video. Until then, bye from Chachana Creation. And please do support our channel by clicking the subscribe button.